Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For this video, we have picked the 8 newest luxury electric SUVs for 2023 or 2024. All the SUVs in this list are upcoming. You will get them in 2023 or 2024. They are efficient with long battery life, easy to charge, and best performing in design, speed, and safety. Number 8. Polestar 3. Up to 510 HP and a 379-mile range. Polestar is in the 8th position on our top list. This is Polestar's biggest car, sharing its platform with the next-generation Volvo XC90 and riding on a 117.5-inch 2,985mm wheelbase. Available with 5 seats and a spacious luggage area, the interior design is governed by Polestar's ongoing emphasis on high-end sustainability, with welfare-certified leather and wool. The base Polestar 3 comes with rear-biased all-wheel drive courtesy of a dual-motor setup that sends 483 horsepower and 620 pound-feet to the ground via a single gear ratio for a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5 seconds. Like its predecessor, Polestar 3 comes with Android Auto as the default OS, a host of sensors, inside and out, that scan the surroundings and the driver's level of alertness. However, future options include the forthcoming Pilot Pack, which adds an lidar sensor, amongst other extras, to provide enhanced 3D scanning of the car's surroundings, a move that will pave the way for fully autonomous driving. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz EQE AMG SUV. Being an SUV, the AMG EQE SUV stands out from its sit-in siblings with more versatility, space, and comfort. Moreover, the company put 2 motors into the AMG EQE SUV, giving it 617 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque. As expected of Mercedes-Benz, the AMG EQE SUV has many features, like rear axle steering, where the rear wheels can steer in the same direction as the front wheels. Moreover, it has active ride control that stabilizes passengers electromechanically for a smoother ride and dynamic select modes that cater to certain driving conditions. Of course, the AMG EQE SUV will also have the option of the M-Bux Hyperscreen infotainment system that stretches across many Mercedes-Benz EVs' dashboards. Moreover, AMG ensured the EQE SUV is worthy of its logo by adding a firmer suspension system, active roll stabilization technology instead of anti-roll bars, and 6-piston front brake calipers. Number 6. Chevrolet Blazer EV SS. Chevy Blazer EV SS is covered in radiant red metallic paint, tagged with paint code GNT. Per GM, it is infused with the soul of a true sports car, rocking the legendary SS nameplate and offering the highest performance capabilities of the entire Chevy Blazer EV lineup. The front fascia incorporates wide, horizontally oriented lighting spread across the top edge of the crossover's nose, with a technical-looking, segmented grille design. Moreover, a small red SS badge is located in one corner, while angular styling lines enhance the sporty look even further. The profile reveals a sculpted shoulder line that rises and falls to emphasize the wheel arches and the two-tone styling treatment with black for the lower panels, the pillars, and the roof. Also note the two-tone side view mirrors, plus the two-tone 22-inch wheels. The charging port is found in the driver's side front fender. The Blazer EV has a bold interior with contrasting accents and shiny trim. Moreover, it also gets exclusive interior colors, including a bright adrenaline red. Some other extras in the SS include high-performance brakes, a standard heads-up display, a sunroof, and a digital rear-view mirror. It gets a large 17.7-inch touchscreen and a second, smaller display for the driver that takes the place of regular gauges. Number 5. BMW iX M60. Embracing a futuristic and streamlined shape, BMW iX M60 combines minimal flat surfaces with expressive elements, such as the slender twin headlights and rear lights, to reveal pure confidence. The high-performance M60 model joins the lineup for 2023, complete with a 610-up all-electric powertrain and an estimated 280-mile driving range. Furthermore, it rides on an air suspension that adapts to sporty driving. Elsewhere, the individual convenience, dynamic handling, and luxury packages have been consolidated into one big pile of features and sold as the ultimate package. The M60, the high-performance variant, offers a hopping 610 horsepower, and we estimate that's enough to rocket the mid-size SUV to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Moreover, it offers ample power, surprising energy efficiency, agile handling, and a smooth ride. The BMW iX is a true sports activity vehicle with all that name entails, from the comfortable cabin and spacious storage to the impressive exterior dimensions. While some stylish elements included in this SUV are the transparent and intelligent center console, which replaces buttons with sensors and features an A-Drive touch controller and a high-quality glass optic. Innovation is in every detail of the first ever BMW iX. Number 4. Cadillac Lyriq. Cadillac's first entrant into the luxury electric vehicle market is the Lyriq SUV, which offers sharp styling and a modern cabin. Most new cars have standard or optional LED headlamps that make unique lighting signatures possible. The Lyriq takes this to the next level with animated lightning sequences using 736 exterior LEDs. For example, they'll dance into different patterns when you arrive or depart from the vehicle. No engine means Cadillac designers could get even more creative than usual. For instance, the Lyriq doesn't need front air vents to cool the engine. Instead, it has a unique and exclusive black crystal shield grille with three-dimensional texturing. The Lyriq's expected range is 300 miles on a single charge. The Lyriq delivers 325 pound-feet of torque and 340 horsepower almost instantly. Moreover, the addition of GM's Ultium propulsion system helps deliver near-perfect weight distribution and a lower center of gravity for responsive, agile, and athletic performance. Lyriq offers available Super Cruise, plus the first proper hands-free driver assistance technology. The electric powertrain's 325 pound-feet of instant torque is a nice bonus. In addition to this, tranquility takes center stage. Next-generation active noise cancellation intelligently measures road vibration and actively uses the AKG Plus speaker system to cancel road-induced noise. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. As its name implies, the all-electric 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is the high-riding SUV alternative to the company's large, slicked-back EQS luxury sedan. The two share a platform and various other components and have identical wheelbases, but only the SUV offers a third row and seats for up to 7. In the cockpit, the M-Bux hyperscreen stretches the entire dashboard length. Moreover, passengers can optionally access content in the rear via two high-resolution 11.6 inches displays. It looks like a pumped-up EQS saloon. It has a similar blanked-off grille, near-identical bumpers, and equally fancy-looking headlights, albeit with some new triangular running lights. The more powerful 580 horsepower models are the quickest and should accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.6 seconds. This SUV comes with a huge 108 kilowatt-hours battery. Number 2. Lexus RZ. The RZ will be an all-new entrant in the Lexus lineup for 2023 and the brand's first all-electric offering. The compact 5-seat SUV features a 71.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack and 2 electric motors, the front rated 150 kilowatts and the rear 80 kilowatts. Combined, this works out to be around 308 horsepower and 321 pound-feet of torque. A simplicity-focused interior design in the RZ's interior has removed many buttons and switches from the dashboard and doors and relocated those things to the large infotainment display. Number 1. Lotus Eletre. Lotus Eletre is in position 1 because of the features and lower price. The all-new and all-electric Lotus Eletre is a striking and progressive hyper-SUV. It takes the core principles and Lotus DNA from almost 75 years of sports car design and engineering, evolving them into a desirable all-new lifestyle car. On a full charge, the car is capable of driving 373 miles. In addition, it uses active aerodynamics, with vents that open and closes depending on the need for cooling or cornering downforce. This car is not designed as an off-roader, but it will sink to reduce drag at motorway speeds or rise if you are on a rough track. That extra body length and the lack of a conventional engine and transmission mean the Lotus has enough space for a family of 4. It is also packed with self-driving tech, including the world's first deployable light detection and ranging LiDAR system. These pop-up sensors will enable the car to spot hazards and are incorporated into only visible pods. When it's time to top up, ultra-high-speed charging loads 400 kilometers of energy in just 20 minutes, with a maximum range of up to 600 kilometers.